Hello guys, Alex here. For SuperHack 2024, I built Legion Fortune. It's a Farcaster application that tells fortune, on-chain fortune for the users, and I will now show how it works. So before we start, I want to mention that for the development and testing of this Farcaster application, I use this tool from Warpcast, developers frames, and I wrote here in the README file how you can do it as well. You can expose your local host network by using ngrok service. If you don't want to do it, you can always use frames.js debugger. And now let's get started. So once we enter the frame app, we will face a wizard, magic wizard, who will help us and tell us the fortune. So we will need to answer a few questions. First question, what is your favorite chain? I'll say Base. Second question, how degen are you? I'm very degen, so I'm going to say Living Pepe. And then the third question will be, what is your zodiac? I'm going to say Aries. And once we answer all of these questions, the application will generate a prompt and forward this prompt for the to the fortune teller. So under the hood, what actually happens here is this fortune teller frame requests on-chain fortune from the contract that is deployed on Base. And then this fortune teller contract interacts with something called on-chain AI Oracle. So this on-chain AI Oracle is a product from Aura protocol. And what it allows is it basically returns verifiable AI inference to smart contracts, to blockchain. And what does it mean? So any smart contract can request AI calculations. And this Oracle system, it consists of a network of nodes who can generate these results and return them back to the smart contract as a callback. And Aura uses OPML, which is an optimistic machine learning technique to prove these inference results. And by using this, users can be sure that their fortune is actually told by AI models like Llama 3. And also, we'll see the image will be generated by Stable Diffusion model. And everyone can just run their validator nodes locally and prove these results. So this is a little bit of a technical introduction. You can learn more about it here, but let's continue with our. So let's submit that request for the fortune. We'll need some Ethereum on Base to be able to interact with this application. And now we will wait a little bit for that Oracle system to calculate and return the result. We can view the transaction we submitted on Block Scout. And by the way, these contracts that we're using are verified on Block Scout. And I put them in README so that everyone can see them. We can also, while this result is being generated, we can look at the contract as well. So this is the contract that interacts with the on-chain AI Oracle. And we can see that there is this calculate AI result method, and it actually requests inference. So it passes the prompt that is generated from users' answers to these questions. And then a Llama 3 model will generate the textual result, and it will be returned during the callback. And inside this callback, we have a nested call. So once again, we will call AI Oracle, but this time we will call Stable Diffusion. So also the image will be generated for the fortune. And now we can see we got the result, which is Arius, Living Pepe, Enthusiast. Your blockchain fortune is like rise like a phoenix. Pepe's luck fuels your crypto journey ahead. And based on this fortune, this image is generated. And now we can mint an NFT for that. So let's do that. And this NFT contract is also deployed and verified on BlockScout on the Base network. And we can check the transaction and choose to play again. So yeah, for the future work, I'm planning to integrate Aura's RNG Oracle to make this fortune predictions a little bit more random, and also create a dashboard for minted NFTs. And yeah, there is a learn more section, so you can check the documentation on AI Oracle, on Farcaster, and on Base, on-chain, a kit for building frames. So hopefully you understood the purpose of this application. The idea is to onboard many people to blockchain, and through a interactive and fun experience, and also having these fortunes verifiable and trustless. Thank you very much, and until the next time.